so throw. Keep my tags on my clothes. Watch me swing lane to lane in the middle of the road. 13 years old in the street standing bold, and I kept the G code.
Yep. Pop my trunk and 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 yep. Pop my trunk and 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 yep.
I'm the big white of this rap game. Go ask your gal, she gon' tell you the same thing. She wanna touch my mic, dog, I heard she can really sing. 415s in my trunk, yeah, it really bangs. Silly man, steady focus on the cause. Bad bras throwing draws. Sometimes I spit it nice, sometimes I spit it raw. When I fall through the club, man, they treat me like a star. When I dip through the hood, they say look at his car. I got a straw in my styrofoam white cup. When you hear me say ha, gon' throw it up. When I throw my parties, bad bras, they be showing up. Haters throwing up, cause they know a nigga's coming up. I'm the talk of the streets, I'm blowing up. Everybody hear my voice, yeah, they can't get enough. Cause I'm rough and I'm tough, stacking paper like puffin'. Cause I
pop my trunk and yep. Pop my trunk and pop my trunk and pop my trunk and pop my trunk and yep. Pop my trunk and pop my